we're seeing an epidemic level of people coming across the border.
Right now, Homeland Security encounters more than 7,000 migrants a day at the border. That's both illegally and at official crossings. And those numbers could spike if the Biden administration ends Title 42, its public health order allowing the rapid expulsion of asylum seekers and those crossing illegally.
The Border Patrol tell me that if it expires without a plan being put into place to allow them to handle this volume of migrants, they will simply lose control of the border.
The Biden administration reportedly plans to end Title 42 on May 23rd. Homeland Security predicts a, quote, significant increase in people arriving at the U.S. border when that happens. On Wednesday, a group of GOP senators warned that ending the order would overwhelm the Border Patrol, pave the way for more illegal immigration and drugs, and worsen an overtaxed system.
There's a 1.5 million person backlog for dealing with asylum claims. 1.5 million. This means that when you are allowed into the country to await an immigration judge looking at your case, there will be anywhere from 4 to 6 years before your case is considered.
Democrats like Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer have called for an end to Title 42, citing the country's pandemic recovery. Immigration advocates like Ali Noorani agree, but warn that more infrastructure and personnel are needed at the border. Noorani says that ultimately the U.S. must undermine the cartels.
The only people that are winning right now are the cartels. If we actually had legal immigration pathways, people would not be relying on asylum as their only way to apply for entry. And frankly, we would be taking away a very lucrative line of business from the cartels.
Noorani says there's reports that lawmakers from both sides of the aisle are talking about immigration reform. With a crisis clearly looming, perhaps Congress will act in time to avert the worst. Heather Sells, CBN News.